To see you all again. This is Faye Cochrane. Today I'm going to show you the forecast functions within the Sirius program. This is the forecast icon right here on this icon. I don't know if you see my mouse in here, but when you click on it, it will tell you what this icon is about. Is forecast, timeline, profile, interpretations, and stuff. Okay, so let's click on forecast. As you can see, when you click on this icon, you have so many options in here. Create a timeline format, electional, mundane, astro signature forecast, graphic ephemeris, matrix search, integrated listings, vibrational forecast listings, transit interpretations, text listing, progress text listing. We have the astro calendar and all that good stuff, including the planet mandala. Let's start with the first 4 options in here for now. Okay, let's click on timeline format. It's the first one, and then this is the first one that is selected is transit to natal. If you want the transit to natal, then use this one. But let me see. I think we have a progress chart in here, so let's cancel in here. We have to go back to Julia Roberts' natal chart, and I'm so sorry about that. I'm glad I made that mistake though. But so that you know, in the future, always use the natal chart, okay? Alright, you guys, let me continue here and let me show you this icon. You click on forecast and click on timeline format, and then we will select the transit to natal. In here on the right side, you have several choices in here. Let's just select the default, but you can play with this on your own time. And then you can put the starting date, and we can say here, let's put 1 month. Okay, and then let's click on OK, and that is the timeline format. Look, all right, so the strongest date is darker, and it gives you the date in there. So the red are the squares, and oppositions, they are the hard aspects. Okay, all right, so look at this. For example, the Neptune is opposite Uranus for Julia Roberts, and it's strong on March 13. Okay, so much about that. So let's click on forecast again. Let's click on electional mundane. This is now transit to transit. This has nothing to do with the natal chart. This is the transit for today. Okay, so let's click on main forecast, but you have several options in here. But let's click on the main forecast, for example, in here. All right, and then again, it gives you several astro signatures in here. If you're looking for a good day to start a business, for example, for the transit to transit, let's click on, say, business forecast. You can select several of this. Say, for example, it's good to get the visionary and inspired, right? So, well, let's click the imagination and confusion as well, so that we know if it is strong, then we don't want to start on that date, even though it's selected. So we are using here from March 20 to April 20. So let's click on begin analysis, and it will calculate it for us. It should be fast. As you can see, this movement here, it's moving. Okay, so this is now the okay, it's still processing. We selected 3. Okay, so let me move this here so that you can see it. Okay, so there it is, and let me move this screen in here so that you can see it as well. There are 3 windows in here in this astro signature, and let me move it here, this one, and I will explain to you what these are. You have limited space when we are doing this here, and let me click in here. Okay, Okay, so there they are. There are three windows. Let me explain it to you. Okay, this one on the right side comes with the scores, the date and the scores. In this window, you will see the 241 March 24 is the strongest, and when you click on it, it shows you the astrological factors involved in it. And it's best to click on here to exclude the zero calculated aspects in there, which gives a zero score. So it just gives us the one with the scores. Okay, so this one is the list of scores here on the right side, and the date, and the strongest score is listed sequentially from the top to the bottom. And here on the left side are the astrological factors. And this is the cool part. This one, the first window that shows up is the graph, is the graph window. And then if you click on here, I like this option where you click on 3D. Yeah, it's so beautiful. So you can see here the green one, it gives you the color code in here. Business success. The green one is the business success. So for Julia Roberts, you will see the green one in here, and it goes up and down and down, and it goes really, really up high in here. In the highest in here is showing, oh, maybe that is April, maybe 19 or something like that. So let's go and see in here for business success, which is the strongest one. Okay, April 19, yes. Oh, April 20 is the strongest, 11.47. Okay, so you can pick that date for a good date, and when you click on this, it will give us the astrological factors that are involved in here. Okay, so this is the timeline forecast, and let's conclude this video. I hope you were able to follow, and let's click on return to previous menu, and that's it. That is our timeline forecast. Okay, good to see you. See you in the next video again. Okay, bye-bye.